Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for visiting. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer images on wood. It's easy and quick, so let's get started. So first, let's get our materials ready. For this project we need transparency film that is for inkjet. So this will be where we will be printing out our image. And I got this transparency film through Amazon. They're reasonably priced compared to other stores. And a piece of wood. This one I got from IKEA. So I'm just gonna use this side of the wood, and I made sure that this one is already smoothened out. Then we go to the image that we want to print on our wood. So this is the image that I decided to print, and I will put a text on it as well. So here's the tricky part here. When you're trying to transfer images to a wood, you make sure that this text is mirrored so that when it's printed out on your finished product, it will be readable. So make sure that it's mirrored. So to do that, you put a text box on your Word document and double click on this one. And if you notice, it's already enabled. So you do a right click and go to format shape to do the mirror effect. So format shape. And here you have this command ready already. So you go to the rotation, the X, and put 180 degrees to make the mirror effect. Now I'm gonna draw this closer to my image, right about there. And now I'm ready to print. So before you print, you make sure that you're gonna be printing on the glossy side of the transparency film. Okay, so let's do that. Insert it in there, and we're ready to print our image and text. And when you print, you make sure that the color setting is at its best. Not a draft, not black and white. And here we go, we got it at best and colored. And let's print it. So I decided to use a bigger board instead. So this is the side where it was printed. Now you have to flip it, sorry. And then you'll have to position it where you want it on the wood. Do it as fast as you can while the ink is still a little bit wet. Now if you want to put a tape somewhere to hold the film, that would work too, so that it will not move while you are transferring the image onto the wood. Now you can use your fingers. Make sure you're holding the film firm and nice. You want it steady, and you make sure you're careful not to shift the film too much. Press as hard as you can so you can transfer that ink onto the wood. If you can do it section by section, that would be great. But you want to do this while the ink is still a little bit wet. Pretty excited. I think it's transferring nicely. this is probably the challenge with bigger image. You'll really have to be fast to kind of transfer that image. Fast in pressing down film. Okay. Let's take a pic. There we go. It's looking okay. So I think I'll keep going. Make sure you don't miss any spot. Okay, I've seen a lot of other techniques where you will have to use other materials like glue, and you will have to wait for like 24 hours before you can see the result or the output or your output, and that for me is a lot of time to wait. So this technique lets you do it in just in a matter of minutes. It's quick, it's easier, less materials as well. You can check it, and if you're happy with the transfer, you can stop. But if you want to keep going for better result, then that's your decision. Just one last push on everything right here. So yeah, some transparency films work just with a laser printer, and some just with an inkjet. So what I used here is the one for inkjet. And remember to print on the glossy side. So now let's see, I'm excited about this. Here we go. And let's peel it. It's looking good. It's looking very good. Oh my goodness. How about that? So here you go. This project just took maybe 30 minutes maximum. So guys, this is our output right here. See how pretty that is? This technique only took about 30 minutes maximum, and you got a very nice result. It's fast and it's easy. I'm really happy how it turned out. So, if you like this video and if you learned something from it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please, you can just write it down in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them. So I hope to see you next time on our next project. Bye!